This is Swinger 1 here down in the dungeon. It's kind of cold today. I figured I've been wanting to get a Pontiac in my model collection, so we're working on this. And I airbrushed some Testors Red on it. And I'll do a clear coat. But this is going to be, I believe, if you know your old Pontiacs, this is going to be the Mandalay Red paint scheme. It's like a red car with a red interior, maybe some black and like maroon, burgundy accents on the interior. And I don't know when I'll get this done. I was just bored today, and I'm in the basement with the wood stove going, and it's warm enough to spray paint on a model. I'm like, why not? Sometimes it takes me a year to build a model, believe it or not, but between all the other projects, right? But anyway, that's our two coats of Testors Red. We're gonna call it Mandalay Red, and that's the paint scheme we're going for with this '62 Catalina model.